Abad is the Vice President of Operations at ReliabilityWeb.com, where she plays a pivotal role in empowering asset managers, reliability leaders, and maintenance professionals. With a strong background in leadership within the reliability and asset management industry, she also holds a master's degree in neuro-linguistic programming and certifications in change management. Additionally, Maura serves as the Global Director of Women in Reliability and Asset Management at the Association of Asset Management Professionals. Maura, welcome to the stand.
Hi, Maura Abad. Great to be here with you and have a chance to talk to you at MaximoWorld.
Thank you for having me, Terrence.
What I want to talk to you about first is what is Women in Reliability and Asset Management, and then what's the aim and the acronym is WIRAM. What's the aim of WIRAM?
Thank you for the invitation. Women in Reliability and Asset Management was born 6 years ago with the intention of lifting one another, but also increase diversity of the woman in the industrial field. When I came on board 10 years ago, the importance of having diversity in the events came stronger and stronger. And then with the executive sponsorship of your presence that you said, go for it with the project of increasing diversity, the aim of the group is show the world that we are here to learn, to educate ourselves, to educate one another on the importance of diversity. We have done many exercises regarding asset management where we have had conversations in one table with people with the same genres, same roles, and the opinions are one thing. But when we get another set of opinions in the genre, the roles, the perspectives, the globalization area, you get more insights, and that allows people to make better decisions, right? So it's thinking kind of out of the box, having more tools, more cultural pieces where to grab from. And that's the idea why with the group, we started not only the perspective of United States of America. I'm proud to say that Women in Reliability, we have chapters in Latin America, Canada, Antarctica, New Zealand, Australia, Middle East, Europe, UK, and at MaximoWorld 2023, we found yesterday our director in Asia and Africa. And the idea to do that is divide and conquer in a great way of understanding perspectives in a worldwide manner of what's happening in different territories. And how can we learn from Asia or Canada? How can we support one another? I call it kind of accelerating the pace on reliability and asset management and showing us the shortcuts, because some other people have experienced some pains, which you learn, you live, you learn, but you implement the best things that you can find in the industry.
Wow, terrific. That sounds like a rich experience. What about here at MaximoWorld? What happened with Women in Reliability and Asset Management at MaximoWorld?
Well, the three main things that I will say, number one, the finding the directors of Asia and Africa, big thing for all of us. The second thing that happened is over 580 females at this event is the most amount since I've been 10 years with Reliability Web, which I am keeping very hopeful, very positive.
So well over a third of the conference.
That's right. And you know, the males that are in the room, that I've seen many of them, they're the advocates of the group. So the group is the way it is because of the men and female in the industry have continued talking about the group. And that's the best way, you know, mouth, letting people know what they take away with the webinars, because the webinars are not only technical. The webinars are financial, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and leadership. We have a great success story where a female leader came to one of our live events and she stood up and says, you know what? WIRAM assisted me to get a raise. And I said, how come? She says, I attended how to ask for a raise. I saw the webinar. Immediately, I took action. I went to my boss office and I said, I would like to get a raise. And she explained the points and she got it. And I said, you know, graciously, I said, thank you for giving that opportunity to WIRAM. The reality was that WIRAM had an extra push, but she did it. And that's what we want to do, that the webinars that we provide to the community, no matter in what territory, you watch them and you take action. That is the most important thing, the one thing. And the last thing I want to say, we had a great keynote today, Suzanne Livingston. She talked about the importance of mentorship. which, by the way, I explained that I have many mentors, and I said one is you on the business aspect that I learn from you every day. So I'm very grateful to you and my different mentors and coaches. So she was talking about the importance of legacy, or are you mentoring someone, or are you also part of the bigger perspective, and how can you learn? And that is important. So I think what we left today behind with the 200 females in the room was, are you available to be a mentor, or do you want to be a mentee? So I think a lot of people are taking action after the event today on that.
Terrific. What's the future hold for women in reliability and asset management? What's the plans moving forward?
Well, I think with the Association of Asset Management Professionals, we're going to continue lifting one another. We're going to continue with webinars. We're going to do more live sessions. As an example, I will be in Australia in December. And with the chapter in Australia, we're going to do a diversity hackathon,
Nice.
face-to-face. With UK, we'll do the same in the aspect of Europe and Canada. As for different groups as Reliability Web that supports the journey of WIRAM, I'm hopeful that more female colleagues are on main stage or are presenting in sessions. We will be continue encouraging females in the industry to write articles, to write books, and continue supporting one another. So I think the future and the now is looking really bright.
Wow, fantastic. That is really great work. I want to take my hat off to the accomplishments of the Association of Asset Management Professionals and the Women in Reliability and Asset Management, and a lot of that is right directly from your leadership. Thank you very much for your contribution to the community.
Thank you. And I always say I appreciate it, but I always go back, it's teamwork. And I give back to the community, to the advocates that have been supporting the group, to each of you that are watching us. And if you don't know what WIRAM is, follow us, get involved, take action. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, we are there. So that will be the best thing. Take action, get involved others, and continue spreading the word of diversity, because it does matter. It does make a difference in your organization and in your career as well. So thank you very much for the space.
Thank you, Maura.